Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see class 7 construction. Here is a question. Draw a line PQ and take a point B outside it. Draw a line RS parallel to PQ and passing through the point A. Now let's see how to do this construction. First step is you have to draw a line PQ of any measurement. Now do the naming as PQ and take a point A on PQ
Take a point A on PQ and a
and
point
name it
B
as
outside
A.
PQ.
Now with A as center and any radius, draw an arc. Now with the same radius, you draw another arc and continue the same step. Before that, you have to draw a line. After you draw the line, with the same measurement, you are going to repeat the same step what you had done earlier. Draw the arc and with the same measurement, draw another arc. And now you have to draw a line where both the arcs have met. And now you can observe that those two lines will be parallel. Now do the naming it as B and join the line and produce in both sides to get the required line. So now you can see PQ is parallel to RS and there will be equal distance between both. Now here is a second question. Draw a line AB and draw another line CD parallel to AB at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from it. So now let's see how to do it. First draw a line of any measurement. Name them as A and B. Now take another 2 points on line AB and name it as PQ. Now with P as center, you are going to construct 90 degree. And already constructing of 90 degree I have shown in the other videos. If you have not gone through, you can check in the iCard which I have attached. So the same step you are going to repeat by taking another point on AB. So both the points you do the naming so that it will be very easy for you. Now with Q as center, again construct 90 degree. First you have to draw a 60 degree arc, then 120 degree arc. Then with both as center you have to draw the arcs and that line will be 90 degree. So now you have to draw a perpendicular line of 90 degree. And wherever both the lines intersect, from there you can draw the perpendicular line. And you can check using the protractor whether it is exactly 90 degree or not. Do it carefully. You can mark it as 90 degree. Now take out your protractor and check the measure. Yes, you can see the protractor when it is placed on the baseline. They both are exactly 90 degree. Now take out your compass and measure 3.5 centimeter radius and draw an arc so that you can draw a line which is parallel to it. So now if the lines are not drawn, just extend the line and mark 3.5 centimeter. And now you can draw a line which is parallel to PQ. Now you can do the naming. Now the construction is almost done. Name it as CD, and this PQ and the other two parts you can name it as R and S. Now when you check, they both are at a distance of 3.5 centimeter and the construction is done. And that's all for today, children. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.